What is up, ATG traders? This is Munya and welcome back to my trading channel. Today we're going to take a look at the boom and crash analysis, and we're going to do the usual weekly analysis and see how best can we make money trading boom and crash this week. You can also stay connected to us by joining our official social media platforms with the link in the description box. Right. So don't forget to like this video if you really want to see more of these, and subscribe for more videos. Turn on notification bell so that you're notified each and every time I post a video. You can also see the other services that I offer by connecting the number on your screen right there. Okay, let's get right into today's business. Last week we did an analysis on all four indices, that is boom 500, crash 500, and then boom 1000, crash 1000. Yeah, how it all went down. We had predicted that once we had reached this point, we're going to take a sell, then go back down. But unfortunately, we had a breakout from our previous channel, but price went straight up to our previously predicted resistance zone, and then it did turn around, came back and bounced on our trend line again, and then went back up. So it was really funny how price was obeying our trend lines and our support and resistance, but we'd actually missed this trade. So this week I'm simply going to extend my trend line like this, because I've already seen that it's very accurate. Why? Because at this point it was respected, at this point again it was respected, and then at this point it's being respected again. So what price has clearly done is it has now set this as the new support zone and this zone as the new resistance zone. But this new resistance zone also has another major resistance zone up there, right? So for this week's analysis, I'm going to zoom in a little bit and see more clearly. With this week analysis, I'm predicting that we're going to bounce from our support zone to this minor support level right there, as you can see, to this minor support level, right? Why? Because I've seen that we have already moved away from this channel, and price has already been failing to break this support zone, and currently we are in a bullish momentum, so we should continue in that bullish momentum. Okay, I hope you understood this. Let's move on to crash 500 and see what we have. Crash 500, we predicted a sell once we reach this point, then price clearly did sell, as you can see. So this was our daily time frame as usual, and we predicted that once we reach this point, if we don't break out, then we are going to sell. Price did sell. I did update this in my Telegram channel, which you should have joined by now. If you haven't, the link is in the description box. You will see these updates on which indices are actually making money, right? So let's look at what's going to happen this week. I've already seen that my support zone has been broken, so I know that we're going to continue in this downtrend on crash 500, because I've already seen the strong momentum which broke this support level. Let me zoom in so that you can see there was a breakout, a retest, and then price tend to continue going down. So I'm going to add up more sell trades to this crash 500, because I've already seen that the momentum is down. I can also switch to my weekly time frame and show you guys what I mean, right? This is what happened. Clearly broke this level, then we're going to experience a short, we are experiencing actually a short bullish candlestick, but eventually price start dropping down to continue bullish, in the bearish momentum, sorry. So this is how it stands actually at this point. Okay, moving on to crash 1000. We're now in a daily time frame, and we predicted a sell from this point, predicted our sell from this price level, and we're still in that sell. Price has been moving really up and down, but the sell we predicted is this, and it paid off. It was a little bit of a reversal, but the reversal then went straight to our resistance zone, which means that in this week we're still going to continue in our sell trade, right? We're still going to continue in our sell trade. Why? Because we've already retested our resistance zone. The only way to go now is continue going down. Again, I'm going to update in the Telegram channel, so make sure you join that Telegram channel. And then lastly, we talked about boom 1000. We predicted a sell from this point, but unfortunately we did. This resistance zone was respected, this support zone was respected. Price bounced at this support zone, went all the way up to the major resistance zone, and then dropped again to our support level, right? So let me remove all this so that you can clearly see what's going to happen this week. For now, I'm going to remove this major resistance and adjust it. This major resistance, by the way, goes all the way this level. As you can see, price was making major decisions on each of these levels. So we are in this channel, but we seem now to have a new channel formed right from this point going up. We now have a new slope that price decided to take. We're still in an uptrend, but you have such it's now steeper. The uptrend is now steeper, so we're expecting price now to keep pushing up. We're expecting price to keep pushing up. We no longer expect price to drop to this zone again. Why? Because our trend line has just adjusted to have a steeper slope, so I can safely delete this trend line and be left with this channel. So now I'm now looking for buy trades only, because I'm now sure that prices will only go up. I'm not sure that price will only go up, right? I'm not sure that price will only go up because of the slope. So all I'm doing now is looking for buy setups. My TPs will be my take profit levels will be my resistance zones. Then my stop loss level will also be my support zones. So it'll be quite it'll be very easy for me to do these analysis, or for me to take this trade. Why? Because I've already adjusted to that. Let's move on to the daily time frame so that you get a clear picture of what is happening. This is how the daily time frame looks like, and this is the slope that I'm talking about. So I'm saying price is no longer going to go anywhere lower than this. We are now setting higher lows. We are now setting higher lows. Let me label them for you. From this point, this is the low, right? The low becomes higher because it didn't break the previous low. Again, the new low becomes higher because it did not break this previous low. again, the new low is higher because it did not break the previous low. This is why I'm saying this these buy trades are now only making sense since we cannot go past our previous lows. So the best trades now to take your buy trades, swing these trades, try to maximize on profits. Updates will be coming again in Telegram group, and that'll be all for Boom and Crash this week. I hope you guys make some money out of it. A sell on Crash 1000, a buy on Crash on Boom 1000, a sell again on Crash 500, and then a buy on Boom 500. Currently it's actually buying. As you can see, we're having some bullish trades, so buy up to somewhere this level and get your money right. Until next time.